Do 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 do. There's no one attacking us today, huh? Man, why is the tank so freaking slow? Come on, move it, corn or something. I'm a slow walker, you know. Fire the missile. Yes. Boom! Oh, this. Don't wish you have prepared something. Take this! Almost stand back. Fire! Boom! Guys, I'm getting attacked right now. Just open fire. There's two enemy soldiers. Boom! Well, the engine is broken. And God called a mechanic for that. Oh, what the fuck, dude? Are you guys going any faster? Well, wait. Guys, you're finally here. Alright, I'm ready to fight anyone at this point. Okay, guys, gotta open fire now. Everyone, aim your guns now. Pew, pew, pew. They're opening fire now. Do they have bad aim? Yes. We shall do this. Requesting for backup at the tomato checkpoint now. Need the helicopter backup and soldiers at Tomato Man now. My brother. My brother. Don't freaking care about your dying brother. Just keep shooting. We almost win. Come on, we go. Finish this damn war. Oh, get me on the dang tank. Jeez, what the hell's going on out there? I killed my friends, now I shall destroy it. God, I am nice. I shall do it for my brother. Oh no. Meanwhile, at the melon, corn, pumpkin, and apple space. Duh. Alright, tower, are we ready to take off and bomb some cactus, dragon fruit, and tomato cities? Yes. Now prepare for takeoff. Alright. The end of the video.